In this video, we want to explain to you about drilling and mounting the panel door. Look, this is a panel door that we need to put three holes at the top and two at the bottom. The top three holes are for the signal light and the bottom two numbers are for pushing green and red buttons. We want to explain these things to you and make the hole. Well, friends, look, we made two holes for the third hole. We first make a small hole with a drill. In this way, we change the drill head. I connect the rotary drill head. First, you should rinse with soapy water. I rinse again with soapy water. Relax, we will not press on the board. Okay, we apply soapy water again. The drill head shouldn't get hot. If the drill head getting hot, will be destroyed. In this way, we grade the three hole in this way and separate the pieces in this way. Now look, we put the three hole for the signal light and two holes for the push button. This is a green signal light and unscrew it. From this part, we put it inside the hole. His back satisfied and the signal light was placed on the door. And the rest of the lights, we put the signal light on the door like this. Each of these lights indicated an alarm. Now we have to install the entry bolts on the door, turn the starter bolt and it will come off. Screw in this part and tighten the square related push button and then put push button in it. I will explain to you about future. As you can see, we install the green button. We repeat the same process for the red push button. We have to tighten these two screws in this part. The green, yellow, and red signal light are assembled on the door like this, and then we execute the wiring. This door is supposed to the place next to the panel, and then use this door on the wiring part and the steering circuit. It means when you want to wire the command circuit, you must use this panel, which puts the outputs from the upper part and the inputs from the lower part. And this door is placed on the board to use this door using the wiring and the command circuit to you have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.